Welcome to the shop where I just picked up the RacerTech winch mount front bumper for the Razor 900S and the Razor 1000. Now this bumper comes with everything you need to install. It comes with the upper and lower section, all the pieces put the lower and upper section together. Now I went ahead and picked up this brace, that way it can handle a bigger winch. I went ahead and got the winch plates because I plan on putting Quad Boss 3,500 pound winch on mine. I've got everything here. And the first thing I'm going to do when I go to putting this together is I'm going to put this lower section together. And when you go to put it together, you want to pay attention to all these pieces because, I mean, these will actually go on either side. You just got to flip them a different direction to get them to work. But now these plates right here, these only go on one side. So you need to figure out which side they go on before you go to putting it together. That way you know where everything goes. And anyway, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the screws in here, put this mesh section here on. Now with this upper plate, you don't use these small bolts and nuts, you use a couple of these larger bolts and nuts. You can do it the same way. You just line up your holes, install the bolts, and put the nuts on the back side. Next, I'm going to go ahead and slide my upper section onto the lower section. Then with two outer bolts installed, we can go ahead and take this winch mount plate. We can slide it up on the inside. We start our other three bolts. With those started, we can go ahead and run these two top bolts. Now with everything tight, we're ready to set this thing aside, start working on the bike, getting it ready for the bumper install. Next, we got to go around the Razor and get this front valance off. Then with those 10 screws out and the headlights unplugged, this should just pull right off. Then we can take this support. We can slide it on the back. Now it looks like that bar should line up with these two holes that's already here, but I'm having a little trouble getting this on, so I'm going to go ahead and trim this just a little. Now let's see if it'll slide on there. Much better. Next, we're going to need to go ahead and remove this little cover right here. And this is not going to be reused. The bumper is going to bolt right here. Next, you're going to want to check this front lower A-arm bolt. You want to make sure the bolt is coming in from the rear and going out the front. You want your nut on the front side because you're going to have to take your bumper, slide it over this bolt, and that's going to help hold it. So if yours ain't like this, you're going to want to jack the back up and flip this bolt around. That way it is facing the front. Next, when you start mounting the bumper, and first things first, you want to take these two lower tabs. You want to slip them on your two lower A-arm bolts that's facing this way, the ones that we just flipped around. Next, I'm going to slide one of these bolts with one of these spacers. You're going to have a spacer that's got a little lip on it here. This goes in from the behind and sticks through the upper section of the bumper. Then we can do the same thing for our other hole. Next, with the two upper bolts loosely installed, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall these nuts that go on the front lower A-arm bolts. Before I go any further, before I tighten these two upper bolts up, I'm going to go ahead and slide this bar into place. Now, with this bolted down, we can go ahead and tighten our two bolts up right here. Now, in order to reuse this grill, we're going to have to trim the grill around these support bars. So I'm going to take a marker and I want to mark where they're hitting. That way I got an idea of where to trim. And with a little trimming, the grill pops right back in place.